You have eaten all of these, right, Matthew? Oh, don't put them upside down. You will have needed to have eaten.
But we ordered a special kind. Just put your finger in, like, running under.
Okay, just rip it.
I was about to like go. Holy! Oh my! I love the bagels. That was hilarious.
What was in there, Michael?
That was hilarious.
Michael, what was actually in? What was actually in there?
Halo 4.
Halo 4. You didn't want that or anything, did you?
No, I
Did we
didn't.
trick you?
Yeah.
Yay! Happy 12th birthday! Woo! Let's see your game.
One more.
Awesome, dude.
We'll leave that.